How to fix Huawei Mate 70 keeps dropping calls. So let's start the video. First of all, reinsert your SIM card. After reinserting your SIM card, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, now open settings and scroll down and click on system and updates and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and click on reset and then click on reset network settings and again click on reset network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.